Let's make a little mini cart with this Dollar Tree mini crate. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so we start with this little mini crate from Dollar Tree. Take off the tag. I always forget that part. And then I also have this foam brush. We're going to remove the foam from it because we just want the wooden part and the plastic part. It comes off super easy. Easy peasy. We'll save the foam. Maybe we'll use it for distressing or something later. And I'm using some of this home decor wax. It is the color, I think it's antique. And I'm just going to paint the inside. I'm painting all of it, but I do the inside first and I wipe off the excess. And then I do the outside, making sure to get into those little nooks and crannies because that'll be like darker and it'll give it a little bit more of a rustic look. You could paint this with any color you wanted, though. You don't have to go country farmhouse like me. You could go like a bold color or a pastel or whatever. The sky's the limit. Get fun with it. This just happens to fit my decor and I'm into it. I wipe it down, obviously, because it kind of mutes it a little bit. And I did the same thing for our little foam brush stick. I distress mine around the handles just because that's my thing. You don't have to do that. There we go. So then I'm going to take some hot glue and I'm going to load it up on the bottom of one of the handles. Then I'm going to use some of my Aleene's heavy duty glue and we're going to put that on the plastic part. And you see what I'm doing here? I'm putting it through that handle and I'm using a protected finger and I'm going to just press that plastic because it's really flexible. I'm pressing it so that it goes into that hot glue and that's what's going to hold it there. I know you're going to have to hold it for just a second. Now I thought it didn't look super pretty like that, so I took a craft stick and cut it down to the width of our little box, used the same wax, and then just hot glued it so that it didn't look messy. Now this isn't structural or anything like that. It's just to cover up that little that little black part. But look at it, looks really cute now, right? I know. All right, so then I have these huge buttons. I think, I don't know, they were in my stash. They're just big black buttons. You could use wood circles, you can use caps from bottles, whatever you want. And I'm just gluing them onto our little crate. Look how cute it is. So cute already. And I'm making it so that they actually are like wheels. You could put them flush so that they don't stick out. Up to you. Super cute, right? Then we're going to flip it over. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, trying to match it up. And if you're curious, I got this hot glue gun on TikTok. Yes, I was influenced by the TikTok shop. I know, but I'm going to tell you right now, it is USB chargeable and it is, it's giving Ryobi a run for its money. I'm just telling you, it heats up super fast. The only problem with it is it shuts off wicked fast. Like it doesn't have the same amount of time. So you got to work with it quick. If you don't pick it up, it's going to shut off on you, but that's okay. And it's purple. And that's the other thing. I love it so much. Anyways, back to our little crate. Look at how cute, right? Adorable. And that's it. That's all you had to do. What? How cute is this? And then, of course, I'm going to add my little coasters that we made. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to show you how to make those soon. Look at how cute that is. Ah, I love it. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.